I'm gonna put the 360 camera on this absolutely ridiculous, what I call the GTA mount. Check this out. Bang. Hello. I am sitting next to the newest addition to the action camera market. This is the brand new Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. In this video, I'll unbox the camera as well as the goodies, test out the features, and give you an honest review on my impressions of this camera. Let's get to it.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones.
Never forget the Mickey Mouse gloves. So let's see what we got here. Starting off with the horizontal mic adapter. We've also got the accessory shoe. We've got the quick release mount for that quick release mounting. Very nice solid metal feel to these. We've got the horizontal quick reader. This helmet chin mount I'm super excited about. It's orange. I was expecting red, but this looks very useful. And then lastly, we've got this invisible selfie stick. Absolutely love this for any filming. Insta360 makes the best selfie sticks. Look at that. And you can screw a tripod in on the bottom. Now for the camera. Beautiful. So we've got the body with the 4K lens on here, which you can then pop out and interchange with the 360 lens. Pop the battery on. Now you've got the ultimate 2-in-1 action camera, both 360 footage and 4K POV footage. Let's throw this on the bike and see what kind of clips we can get with it. First angle is going to be the POV 4K lens. Okay, here we are in 4K 30 frames per second POV with the camera under my visor. I'm curious how the field of view looks, how the color looks. Is it smooth? Yeah. Bang. I'm gonna throw on the GoPro Hero 7 Black in a second just so you can see a comparison. I wonder if the audio will be any different because it's the same external mic. So let's pay attention to the field of view, the color, and the audio when I switch to GoPro, which will be right now. Alright, so now we're in the GoPro Hero 7 Black in 2.7K, 60 frames per second. Super view. I wonder if the audio sounds different, how different the field of view is. Oh, that's a stop sign. One thing I noticed switching to the GoPro just now is that the touchscreen is way better on the Insta360. The Insta360 has the responsiveness of like an iPhone. I love that the GoPro actually gives you the percentage of the battery. It looks like the Insta360 One RS just gives you the icon, so it's not, you're not sure if you have like 25% or 15%. Now let's try with the Insta360 chin mount. Great mount. It should be red though to match the camera. Chin mount POV with the external mic. The chin mount should give a more natural riding point of view. Curious if it does. Let me know. Now here I'm trying the 6K widescreen mode. Pretty crispy, Hollywood vibes. I approve. Going back to the 4K, it looks pretty much just as crispy as the 6K widescreen. Here we have the 6K on the top, 4K on the bottom, also looking crispy. Both shots look great. Here we're back to the 4K, and then the 6K is on the top now. This is 2.7K slow-mo. Pretty butter. Alright, time to switch to the 360 lens. Look how quick and easy this is. Alright, here we go. Definitely testing the wobbleness of this setup. It's kind of wobbly, but it actually doesn't look too bad. Wonder how the footage is turning out. Now I've got the 360 on the chin mount. I think this looks super badass. All right, we've got the 360 lens on the chin mount with the external mic. This could be the ultimate vlogging setup. I'm expecting really good field of view, really good stabilization. It's got the flow state. This is 5.7K, 30 frames a second. I've got high hopes for this setup. I think this is a really good vlogging setup. Let's go for a quick no-hander. Or one hand, I guess. No break.
Yeah. What? You want to stay? You're bugging. You gotta go. No. Yeah. Got my tummy boxes on. I just finished with a yay when I'm gone. Had an engine horn, get that bitches gone. King shot the boy, yeah, with my tongue. Got my tummy boxes on. Yeah, I'm finished with a yay when I'm gone. Yeah, big soldier, yeah, I got the gun. All these boys, yeah, they better stop. Hey. I went to the trap, she told me to pick her, she wet like a swimmer. That bitch is so slim and she built like a swimmer. Don't care if y'all sisters, I cannot resist it. Your sisters so thick, we gone off the liquor, we gone off the silver. She put on my zipper, I'm daddy and mister. That's what she just whispered. I turned on the lights so I made it just dimmer. Hey, bigger than Tigger, you know I'm that nigga. Them pooper ass niggas, they come with a K. Don't like, they make sure my diamonds got.
Now for the grand finale, I'm gonna put the 360 camera on this absolutely ridiculous, what I call the GTA mount. Check this out. There'll be links down below for everything. Make it nice and tight. Bang. And then I'm gonna put it pretty far out. You might be wondering how I'll start and stop the camera. I'll use the app for that on my phone. Great use case for the app. Alright, so those are my first impressions of the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. I think they did a really great job designing the modularity. The fact that you can switch between a standard lens and a 360 lens is awesome. However, I think the standard lens doesn't beat the GoPro for the POV footage. So I'll keep using the GoPro for the POV. But I love the 360 on this thing. I think it looks super crispy. The colors are nice. The editing software is great. I love that this has a mic adapter, so you don't have to rely on the internal mic. The accessories are super helpful. Go ahead and check out the description. There should be some free goodies and some discounts. As always, thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned.
Yeah.